Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AHRC employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AHRC employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you have to search for AHRC employee login. After searching for that, here you will come up to this page and you have to tap on this first option which is OKTA. After tapping on that option, now it will direct you to this page where you have to enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, just simply tap on sign in and you will sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then easily reset or recover your password. So after resetting or recovering your password, you just have to come back to this page and just enter that new password which you have resetted or recovered and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your AHRC employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.